This workbook is teaching silent E words and words, the consonant digraph words, single syllable words. So again, there are 10 pages for each concept. I will walk you through one lesson with 10 pages. So the first step is to introduce the silent E, and this page is introducing that. The child already knows how to read cap. There's an E added and the word becomes a different word, cape. And this the teacher teaches, or the parent teaches this concept. This is a revision book. So the concept has been taught and this is revision exercise. Again, here the child cancels the E and reads this word aloud to the parent. In this page, the child reads the word. If he has understood what this word means, then he will be able to circle the word. Suppose the child reads this as snack. Snack. He will not find the snack here. So he will have to go back and think of and break it down to its spellings. A, and this is quiet. So snake. So this is snake and he circles it and writes the word here. So only when the child can read and comprehend, he'll be able to answer this. This is similar, where the child reads 3 words and circles the correct word. Here the child not only reads and understands the pictures, but also is encouraged to write. This is a pure spelling exercise where the child looks at the picture and understands what the picture is. This picture is cake. So the first sound the child hears is k. The k sound is represented with k. K, A. Which one says A? Is this. K. Is it K-E or is it T-E? It's K-E. Then the child writes here cake. So this is a spelling exercise. Here the child is encouraged to read a sentence and comprehend yes or no. Can we swim in a cave? The child decides yes or no. Here, this is an exercise where the child reads 2 sentences, looks at the picture and finds the correct sentence. So here the child looks at the picture, reads it. Mom will let Jake take his plate. Mom will let Jake take the grapes. So there are grapes sitting here. This is the correct answer. This is our assessment answer to see a page to see if the child has understood all the vocabulary words and is able to spell the vocabulary word. For example, this is plane. So the child writes L, N, and then writes an E. This is a grammar exercise where the child has to have the word sequence. So the hut is in flames. You cannot say the flame is in the hut. That would be wrong. So this is a grammar exercise. So that's how these 10 pages are. And there is one lesson for A-E, I-E, O-E, U-E. Then ch, wu, sh, w, th. And then there is a post test, which is your assessment to see if you've understood all these words and their meaning. For example, this is a test. The dash broke into the bank and ran with the cash. Is it thick, thin, or thug? Only if you know the meaning will you write the correct word, thug. Similarly, there is a riddle. I can hiss, I am long and thin, I can glide on sand, I can shed my skin. I am a mule, whale, or a snake. We know snakes are thin and they make the sound, hissing sound. So the child does snake and writes. So this is our level 3 workbook, revision book, which is helping you revise your silent T and your consonant digraph words.